We don't have to go ahead and set it up. We don't have to program it. We don't have to maintenance it. And if it doesn't work, if for some reason, then we don't own it. So it kind of gives us a great opportunity to sit in there, see if this is a good fit for us or not. And if it is, let's just roll with it. So I'm the president of Taffy Town, and I love working here. And when you see something you make and that you are very proud of, to see that impact the customer, even it might be a small way, just to make something better in their day, to give them a little sweet treat, it just makes me excited. It makes me smile. And I hope it makes them smile too. The difficult problem we have is how do we get all that taffy, all the different flavors lined up, and then get them to our customers in a reliable time they want them in their stores. And we've been looking at doing palletizing for a while. The big thing is just the entry, the capital cost to get into, and then not only to purchase it, to maintain it, to operate the program, and all those things are a big learning curve when you're starting from, your first journey into robotics. So we sat down with the people at Formic. They did a great job at helping to kind of block out where the machine would be, what it would look like, how we would interact with it. They were able to do some 3D rendering of our place, where they would sit and how it would actually work with the end of our line packaging. And that was some of the best parts because we could actually visualize what it was going to look like and where it was going to be. Then we kind of went to the next step and looking at, okay, what type of plan we want to look at, what type of speeds do we want, what would be the best fit for our plant. Before we know it, we had a go date when they were installing, and they were right on schedule. They said it would take a couple days to get in and to get programmed the way we want it to. It was exactly what they said. They were down for a little bit and it was up and going when they said it would be.
Before we brought on Formic, we had a person basically designated to be a palletizer. We relocated that employee to somewhere else in our facility. The robot's doing the strain work, not the employee. They helped us through the process of what we can do and what we can't do, what works, what doesn't work. And we knew we had a support. We were able to get information, phone numbers, and contact people. So if there was any issues, that we had the ability to reach out and have them help us.
Here at Taffy Town, we decided to automate with Formic because it was the best solution to help meet the needs of not only safety, but also to help with our implementation of efficiency on the line. And it gave us a way to try something without buying it. And it helped us with not have to outlay a lot of capital, but still see if this is something that's good for us. And it was very low risk, high upside, and so that's why we went for it. It's been great. We've loved it.